Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a MailerLite landing page for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, navigate to the Sites page, where the Landing Pages tab will be shown by default. Click New Site. Give your site a name and then click Save and Continue. Choose a group for your landing page. Select your template and fill in all the necessary details. Once you've done that, your landing page is ready. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so make sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.